To truly understand life, you must visit 3 places: a hospital, a prison, and a graveyard. These places teach lessons that no book ever can. In a hospital, you realize that nothing is more beautiful than good health. Money, success, and worries lose their meaning when the body is weak. People do not pray for luxury there. They pray for one painless breath, one normal day, one chance to feel okay again. Health stays quiet when we have it, but when it is gone, it becomes everything. In a prison, you understand the value of freedom, the freedom to walk outside, to speak freely, to make your own choices, things we ignore every day. Behind those walls are people who would trade anything for one ordinary moment of life outside. Freedom feels ordinary until it is taken away. And in a graveyard, life shows its final truth. Names carved in stone, dreams left unfinished, time that ran out. In that silence, you understand that life itself has no price. Today, the ground we walk on. Tomorrow, it may become the roof over our heads. So live with awareness. Protect your health, respect your freedom, and do not wait to live fully. Life is not owned, it is borrowed, and one day it will be returned.